Hi, it's me, Rick, from SLS and SLS Radio. Thanks for joining us for another great SLS tutorial. Please remember to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on the latest SLS info. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make money with SLS. That's right, SLS has one of the best affiliate programs around with a 50% payout fee. And not only that, but it's residual. So when you sign someone up for the site and they continue to pay, you continue to get paid. And I'll even show you how you can print out your own affiliate cards to hand out that will offer a free month of SLS to those you give it to. So let's go ahead and get things started.
Okay, and here we are on the homepage of your profile. There are two ways that you can get to the affiliate section of the site. First, you can use the left menu panel. Simply scroll down to where it says View More, and the first link on that section will be the affiliate's link. Or you can get there through the Tools section that's located here. When you get to this page, you will see many different links. The one you will look for will be the affiliate program link. When you click this, you will get to the affiliate program page. As you can see, there's all the info you need on this page, like current statistics, detailed stats, the autopilot program, the sub-affiliate program, sub-affiliate stats, payment information, and even affiliate forum. Below this, you will see Generate Affiliate Cards. These cards are great. When you click on this link, you will see it will generate your affiliate cards that will have your affiliate code right on it and one free month membership for those you give the cards to. They will be able to check out SLS for 1 month, and then when they pay at the end of the month, you will get paid. And if the member continues to pay, then you will continue to get paid. Now, if you have a website or a blog, you can use the links and banners link at the top of the page. This is where you will find your affiliate banners. These banners are directly connected to your profile. So when you place them on your site and someone clicks the link and purchases a membership, you will get 50% of that fee. Remember, you must use this code to place the banner on your website, as it has the affiliate hyperlink in it. At the bottom, you will see very important information about your affiliate code. Please read through this information carefully, as it will contain information you need to know to keep your affiliate account active. Now you're ready to start making money with SLS.
And it's as simple as that. Just remember that there is a free month on the affiliate cards, so you won't see any stats until they make their first payment. Just keep checking in on SLS and your account information each week, and once you start receiving the affiliate fees, you can set up when and how you get paid. So get out there and start making some great money, turning people on to one of the best lifestyle sites in the world. And thanks again for stopping into our YouTube channel. And please remember to subscribe to the channel so you can be informed when we post new content. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks again, and make it a sexy day.